Good morning. I've had a request from Sophie Forrester on my YouTube channel, and she says, "Hi, could you please do a live trade on your free trade account because I'm having difficulty buying shares. I enjoy watching your video." So, as I said, all questions and comments do receive a reply on my channel, and I've done a screenshot of myself purchasing a part share in Berkshire Hathaway using the free trade platform. So we'll just run through the screenshot video now. I'm on the free trade platform. I found Berkshire Hathaway. The current price is $250. I go to buy, and I put in the value of shares I want to buy is £6. So it's a fractional share. You can buy fractional shares. The total cost is $5.99. I touch the button to access my ID button, and you can see I bought £6 worth of Berkshire Hathaway shares, which is 0.033 of a share. This is using a free trade platform. That just shows you how easy it is. You have to fund your account first after you've opened it. Using a debit card is the best way I recommend for funding your account. So it's just a question of pressing a few buttons, and you are a proud owner of a part share in Berkshire Hathaway. Now, you may have heard of Berkshire Hathaway. They are that's a fund ran by Warren Buffett, and this fund has done remarkably well over the years, and they own many or have shares in many companies. This is a list of their main holdings at the moment, which is Bank of America, and that's the number of shares. Apple, Coca-Cola, Kraft Heinz, American Express, Verizon, and so forth. So you can see Berkshire Hathaway, run by Warren Buffett, by buying just a fractional share for £6, you're having access to all these great companies, and as I said, the track record of Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway is very, very good. This is the way the fund has performed since it opened, and it's up 80%, and over 7 days it's down, but you take it as an overall. So this is a buy and hold share. So if you're looking to invest in any shares for the first time and using the free trade platform, I suggest you wouldn't go far wrong by starting off with Berkshire Hathaway and sitting and holding and just watching the progress of the shares. And as you've got an interest in Berkshire Hathaway, you can start following the funds by looking on Google and doing searches, and your interest will be much greater now because you've actually got what I'd say is skin in the game. You actually own a very small part of the company, which in turn owns other great companies, Coca-Cola being one of them. So next time you have a Coca-Cola, you actually indirectly are supporting the company that you own. I hope you found this presentation of interest. Sort of twofold really. I've sort of indicated a good share that you could possibly invest in, and also I've demonstrated how easy it is to use the free trade platform to buy shares. Any questions or comments, all are welcome. Until next time, I wish you a really successful investing adventure. Thank you very much.